what is the new construction home process? Number one, find a realtor that you can trust and that you mesh with and that you know that's going to have your best interest at heart. Number two, we're going to have a home buying consultation. This is going to be a time where you're going to ask me questions and I'm going to ask you questions so we can find out exactly what your needs and wants are in your new home. Number three, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Now, some builders require you to use their preferred in-house lender to get pre-approved before going under contract, but you are not obligated to use their lenders. A lot of times they will also offer incentives if you use their preferred title company or lender, but we can always negotiate those fees in the end. Number four, now it's time for the fun part, home shopping. I'm going to set you up on a client portal on MLS so that you get alerts with the most up-to-date new construction builds. I'm also going to set you up on my personal new inventory site. This is where you can search the largest inventory of builders and new home floor plans. Number five, you're going to get under contract. Once you find the floor plan or the inventory home that you absolutely love, we're going to get you under contract with the builder. Now, depending on which home and which builder you choose, they may only offer inventory homes where they sell the homes or put them on the market at the framing stage. Or there's some builders that are still allowing build from scratch, where you can customize the home from start all the way to the end. Depending on which stage your new home is, you can either go to the design center and make those customizations, or a lot of times they have the express homes or the track homes where they already have it all packaged together by their expert designers. Number six, inspections. Now, a lot of people think that you do not need a home inspection with a new build, but you'll be surprised on how many things are found on new construction homes by the inspector. There are different stages of inspections in the new construction journey. If you're building from scratch, you're going to have probably 4 inspections done. The first inspection will be during the foundation pouring. Next will be the framing stage, then the drywall, and then the final inspection when it's all done. Appraisal time. Now, depending on what type of loan that you are having is the type of appraisal that you're going to have. FHA, VA, and USDA loans have different appraisals than conventional loans. And depending on how much down payment you're putting down, appraisals may be waived on new construction homes as well. Number 8 is the final walkthrough. This is where you're going to go through with the builder and look at every single thing. You're going to make sure that all the checklists that the inspector found is taken care of. Anytime that you went in or I went in and blue taped an area that needed to be remedied, you're going to make sure that that is all taken care of on the final walkthrough. You're going to want to make sure that everything is perfect just for you and it's ready to move in. During the final walkthrough, the builder may also go through the different warranties that they have. Usually they have a 1-year warranty, a 2-year warranty, and a 10-year warranty on different things of the house. 1-year warranty is for everything, including appliances. A 2-year warranty is usually electrical and plumbing. And the 10-year warranty is usually structural, like the foundation. Number 9, we have finally made it. It's been probably 9 months since you started this process, and we are here at closing day. That is the day that you sign all of the documents and you get the keys to your house. At closing day, you want to make sure that you have the final survey, that you have all the information on the home warranty plans, and you want to make sure that you have all of your closing documents because you're going to need that for your taxes. And number 10, after you close and fund, you get to move into your house and enjoy. And remember, I am your realtor for life. I am not going to just be there for the new construction journey. I'm going to be there after as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I am here for you because your dream is my passion. Have a great day.